Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys SemiRestore11. This is a new tool that has just been released and it allows you to unjailbreak your device. Basically, it will completely remove the jailbreak and everything else from your device. Notice that it will completely wipe your device. Everything will be gone. So if you want to make a backup of your data before running it, you can do it. So if you're jailbroken on iOS 11 using Rollectra and you want to unjailbreak your device and still keep the same firmware, you can use SemiRestore11 that has just been released. So you install it for free from Cydia. You don't need to add a repo or anything, just search for SemiRestore11, and once you have it installed, you will see this icon right here on the home screen, and the tool is very simple. All it has here is a button to unjailbreak your device. Just click there and you can see this pop up. Are you sure you want to erase all data and unjailbreak your device? Just click here, erase all, and now it will start the process. So let's just wait here for the process to finish and we will come back. It will do its thing and we will be back in a second once it's done. So now it's done. The process took just a few seconds to complete, and then it went on to wipe everything from the iPhone. That took a minute or so, and you can see right here now the device has been restored into stock iOS. So everything is wiped from the device and it's back to stock iOS. So this is pretty cool. Just notice that once it starts the process, while your device is rebooting, you might see the Apple logo for too long on your screen. Just wait a bit more there. It should take a bit more than usual to boot up. If it doesn't boot up, just make sure you do a hard reboot on your device and it will be good to go. It will continue the process. Just if it's stuck on the Apple logo, just do a hard reboot and you're good to go. Your device will be restored to stock iOS. Again, just make sure you notice this, that it will wipe everything that you have on your iPhone. All of your data will be gone. So if you need your data, make sure you do a backup before you run this tool. So that's it for this video, guys. This is SemiRestore11, which allows you to restore your jailbroken iOS 11.3.1 device back to stock iOS. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys on the next one.